Hi guys, what up? Trying to get some good lighting in this place. You don't know your girl Melica Skylife in the building. Yo, what are them?
Now I'ma tell the world, tell them, I'ma tell it everywhere I go. Tell the world, tell them.
Guys, excuse my hair. My hair is literally a mess, and I'm about to cut it. I'm going natural, guys. So just maybe I'll take you on the journey of me getting a haircut. I mean, like low. I'm not talk about cut off back or cut off side. I'm talk about cut off all cream ends. Natural. You know, cutting your hair is such a big thing. I didn't know that I would feel like nervous about it, because most people think that their beauty is in their hair, you know, so they wouldn't want to cut their hair and stuff like that. But I think you're beautiful inside out. Once you have a clean heart, your personality good, your beauty will come through. So come through good day with all the short hair thing. So that's what I want to do now. I'm change my blouse, so I'm gonna wear the top here. But Punki say crush up, I'm not ironing. So I'm gonna change my top and then head off to town. Today is Sunday, December 1st. So happy Vlogmas. I'm not doing Vlogmas. I can't manage, me too busy. So yeah.
That's what building was for like. What put him on?
Tell me what you do to keep me running back to you. Yeah, yeah. You're everything to me, love. Never knew that I could love someone the way that I love you, love. You ain't gotta be afraid. 'Cause I got you. Turn my night to day. When I look at you, all that is wrong just melts away. You wanna be hurt no more, at least not by me.
What up, vlog world? I don't know, it's Punki representing for Skylife TV. Yo! I want the damn. Yeah, guys, so you don't know. It's been a while and I'm back. Yeah. So me and Melica go prank mommy. So the TV's crack, okay? She bought it about 2 days ago. So yeah. Come on!
Wonder if your Wi-Fi not connected. What is?
Sign in, me did connect it to it already. No, none of it sign in.
Yeah, good you.
up 6 morning.
I said this video is drag off again. Say I cut my face today.
Watch out! Mommy!
What's up? All the TV. Punki, how are you?
Auntie TV, Stephanie. Oh, hell, never know Melica.
I'm about to.
Wait. I never chew it up is allowed. I don't know.
I can't go.
Go return him, Mommy.
Eh?
They are sitting Budu fan teeth there now.
No, we're not watching since evening. Nothing doing. Punki, I think Satan up here.
I see.
Answer me now.
I see.
Answer,
Stephanie. I don't know about it. No, seriously. I thought you see me on the camera.
Take off that baby. Punki, stop the laughing. Something that right good a while ago.
I
Give me four. Give me the Punki, where you do that? Take care. Of course, they want me because I can put on the camera and it. Take you off. You're full of crap.
You chat too much, Punki.
Place is the location which is accessible to customers and convenient, and with prices the cost associated with each product.
Blessing off the floor like a river. Blessing off the floor like a. Dapper, you know, say we are we. Communication gap.
Melica no bother with that. They try study.
So me not tell her be.
So the 7 piece of marketing we have product, price, place, people, promotion, packaging, and also positioning. So the price, so the product,
The cane hard for cutting, man.
it is appropriate and suitable for customers and target market. The place,
Shit! Stephanie! Punki! Shit! Stephanie, get something for me now. Shit. Stephanie, get something for me. I don't get up. Get something for me. See blood up on it, something.
I just see it probably with the black. And then I get a mix again.
Stephanie, don't have a jar for knife.
Damn shit.